welcome to a new week. I think my camera's broken. There's like weird line shadows going across. Amelia dropped my camera on Friday, so I don't know, I feel like I can't see it now. But we are just about to take Amelia to a dermatologist or specialist appointment this morning. So basically she has a strawberry hemangioma on her scalp, and I noticed it when she was maybe like 2 months old, and it was teeny tiny, and then it started to grow, and then obviously like I freaked out because like in a week it was like almost double the size. So made an appointment with her pediatrician right away. She was like, oh, strawberry hemangioma, no big deal. Well, it's continued to grow, and it isn't, like I said, her scalp, so like behind her hairline. So it's not that, you know, it's basically, it's just like a cosmetic thing. It's not anything that's, you know, bad or scary or anything. Of course, that's what I was worried about. So she was like, let's just have a dermatologist look at it and, you know, confirm that, you know, that's basically what it is, and whether or not there's like anything else we can do. We're currently doing just these drops that I think are kind of like beta blockers. So we only started that like 2 weeks ago. But the crazy thing was, like, I think like 2 or 3 weeks after giving birth, did I have the same thing in like my upper abdomen area, and same thing, it was like, I just noticed a little red dot, and then it like, in 3 days, it was like the size of like a pencil eraser. And it was raised, and I was like, oh my gosh. So when I went and saw my OB for my next appointment, she was like, oh, this happens all the time, you know, like to women after birth. It's just like the hormones, it'll go away. And I was like, there's no way this thing is gonna go away. It's like huge. Well, she's right. Literally, that's what it looks like now. So it was like maybe a month after that that Amelia got hers. Basically, the reason why I wanted to share this is, I guess, for any like new parents, if you ever watch this and you have kids in the future and something like this pops up, just know that it's not dangerous. And obviously it was really scary at first, but I'll show you Amelia's now. You might have seen it in some vlogs. I just haven't really like talked about it because I forget, and then sometimes like when I'm editing I'm like, oh, I didn't explain, I should probably share this. So
do you want to show everybody? Hi. Yeah, you're so awake. Did we have a fun morning? Yeah, we just want the camera because the camera is really exciting. Hi, Angel. Okay, can we show them? Let's show them. Oh, no.
I'm not sure how it's gonna really translate on camera, but that's it. So doctor says it's not painful. I'm always just like careful when we like brush her hair, and of course like touching it. And someone in past vlogs has asked like, why do you always have a bow on her? And like Adam was like, wait, are you really trying to cover the hemangioma? Hi. And honestly, when she was younger, the reason why I liked having it was like a protector, and like I wouldn't nick it with a nail or anything like that. And now I just think she looks adorable, and that's why we do the bows. So, and honestly, I don't think it's anyone's business, but I'm assuming she's going to, yeah, she's quickly going to grow into the phase of removing it. So, oh, can you show everyone our little tooth? We have 2 new teeth. Can you show everybody? Boys. You love her. And she sings Millie's favorite song. What's Millie's favorite song? We're really into the Itsy Bitsy Spider right now, and this little doll or teddy bear sings it. So when she first heard it, because she had only ever heard me sing it, she was like, Mom, this is your song. Yeah, you kept looking at Mom in disbelief. You couldn't believe that this teddy bear also knew the song. Are we gonna get in the car? We're gonna get going? Yeah. We're gonna take a little nap? Maybe. Even Dada made it.
Amelia, you're the baby doctors? Is it the most fun? Because of your head, boo-boo?
The baby.
Fun ruler.
Good job. Good job, Amelia. I'm just gonna take a quick picture to put in her chart.
Okay.
Is this how we sit? Yeah. Are you back from the doctor? What did the doctor say?
But don't record her if it's...
Good job. I think we need to make the story quick because we need to go have a diaper change. Yeah. Do you want to tell them what the doctor said? Yeah. I just woke up from a nap.
Do you want to explain it? Basically, they just said to monitor it for 6 weeks. We'd go back and see if there's any change, but if it's like plateauing and not growing, just to continue on the drops and kind of go from there. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't look that comfortable. Can Mommy help you up? Yeah. Let's go change your diaper. Okay. Up. Up. Yeah. Do we see TV? I think we see teeth. Can you go, ah? Ah, ah, ah. You're being very stingy with your teeth. You're not sharing them with us. Yeah, very stingy. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It is a new day. Amelia's up for a nap, and I'm going to be doing a quick Trader Joe's run, and then when I get back I have a few consultations. So that's something I want to talk a little bit about today. So since having Amelia, I've absolutely been cutting down the amount of virtual consults that I do, and it's mainly just a timing issue. And I know that in a lot of my older videos where I announce that I'm doing virtual consults, people see that and then get upset that they can't get a virtual consult with me. So this is the explanation, this is the reason. I think moving forward, I will start opening up my schedule like a specific day of the week. So you may request a virtual consult, and if those like very small time slots are taken, I'm kind of like booked for the month. So that's kind of just where I'm at right now. Anyway, I'm going to run to Trader Joe's before she wakes up. Just need a few things for the week. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. So even though I'm not bringing Amelia, I am bringing my diaper bag. Do other moms do that, or is that just me? Like yesterday I was talking to my mom and she was like, oh, you should have like a separate diaper bag and then your own personal stuff in like your own purse. And I'm like, I would either not bring my wallet everywhere I go, or I wouldn't like bring diapers. So it's just easier to have everything in one bag. And then even though when I do go out without Amelia, yeah, I'm still bringing the diapers and the wipes. Although I do have to say, wipes are such a game changer and so nice to have with you at all times. Like Adam loves that. The amount of times that Adam has like asked me for like a baby wipe, and the fact that I just like always have one now, it's pretty nice. The peonies are so pretty, but I've had them before and I feel like they don't really last. And I was like into like a deep color, so I thought this to mix with some of these like kind of eucalyptus looking leaves. So we put these in a vase.
View. Hi. Hi, sweet angel. Are you not sleeping today? Nope.
So as you guys probably know, Adam and I both work from home, but occasionally he does go into the office, and today is one of those days. And I had massive plans on all these errands that I wanted to run. It's also Father's Day on Sunday. It's Adam's first Father's Day, so I kind of wanted to go take care of some stuff to make it like special. And for some reason, she just won't nap today. I also have 2 videos that are in collaboration with brands that need to be edited by this weekend. And yeah, I sat down for maybe 15 minutes after she woke up, and yeah, unsuccessful. So instead, we've had a day of reading and hanging out and playing. Took Olive for a mini walk. So since nothing else is going according to plan, I was actually thinking I would bake some cookies, because unlike Hensie Lemons, do you make chocolate chip cookies? And I probably set this up an hour ago, and I've tried to like come back, but like I said, Amelia's got other plans. So I've got some coconut flour, some coconut oil, some cacao powder, some chocolate protein powder, some organic chocolate chunks, and a little bit of coconut sugar. No, I'm not gonna use that. I'll probably use a little bit of either maple syrup or some honey to sweeten it. But yeah, not really following a recipe. I'm not a baker. I mean, I love to bake, but I can only bake like following recipes. I'm not like that kind of baker that like I understand the chemistry of it and I can just whip something together. But I feel like cookies are kind of easy that way. So basically I had this like chocolate chunk cookie from Earth Bar last weekend, and I kind of want to recreate it. So I'm just gonna wing it and just try to do it with what I have here. All right, so I'm gonna do a cup of coconut flour. 1 scoop of protein powder. This is a 1/3 of a cup. I'm gonna do a 1/3 of a cup first and see if that's how that's looking. I might do more. Let's do it a little more for the buck. Here's my coconut oil that I'm gonna melt. And again, this is where I don't understand the chemistry. If I melt the coconut oil versus putting it in more solid, I know it does something to like the chewiness versus crunch of the cookie. I just don't know what that is. And I could Google it, of course, but I'm not gonna. And while the coconut melts, Olive gets a treat.
Ah, that's a good dog. Okay.
So that's like my first liquid. So I'm gonna add everything but the egg so that I can taste like the raw batter and kind of see what else I need to add. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of almond milk. Should I be measuring? Yes, I should. I forgot. Okay, it's starting to look like cookie dough. I'm gonna do a little bit of maple syrup, not a ton. I don't know if this cocoa powder is supposed to be like super bitter, like when it's like really rich cocoa. Let's see. I'm gonna add a like teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. This actually smells really good, and it smells like the cookie that I was talking about. I haven't put anything gross in this far, right? No. Oh my god, that's yummy. It's basically, oh my god, it's almost better because I had a little bit more salt than the cookie I had this weekend. Okay, now how do I fuck it up? I always do this at the end. These chocolate chunks, I got them from Thrive Market. They're sweetened with coconut sugar, so again, no refined sugar in that. It's fine. Okay, gonna add an egg or two, depending on the consistency, and then I'll finish off with the chocolate chunks.
Are you baking cookies with Mom? Yeah. We have cookies. Okay. Now if the chocolate chips didn't melt, does that mean the cookie's not fully baked? We don't know. We don't know. Did Daddy just steal a cookie? Daddy did. Now we get to steal one. Okay. Can Mama have a napkin? Thank you.
So, next day, a verdict on these cookies. They're a little bit grainier and drier than I was expecting. And then I also realized I didn't add any like baking soda or baking powder, which I think is supposed to like lift them a little bit. So they're a little more airy. I would say they are good. I think it's more like the texture. It's like a little mealy or a little bit dry. I'd probably also add a little bit more like coconut oil or something. But the taste was good. Today they're actually a little bit more fudgy than they were yesterday. So a little bit more moist. By the way, that word is only okay to be used when describing cake.
See.